Hi, everybody. Welcome to section 6.1, where we're going to find the areas of regions in the plane. So the learning objectives for the section are going to be find the area bounded between two curves and solve applied problems related to area between two curves. So previously, we learned that the area of a region bounded by a function y equals f of x, the x-axis, and from x equals a to x equals b. Those are just those vertical lines that we've grown accustomed to. Is the limit of the Riemann sum and can be written as the definite integral, where area just equals the integral from a to b, those vertical lines of f of x dx. Okay, so graphically, let's go ahead and see what that represents. So if we look at this figure below in figure 1, we're trying to find the area of the shaded region from A to B underneath the graph from of f of x. So the skinny rectangle in the region below is called the representative rectangle in the region. This skinny rectangle right here. So the height of this rectangle is f of x, and dx represents the width of the rectangle. Then the definite integral from x equals a to x equals b represents the limit of the Riemann sum of these heights and the widths multiplied together. So what we're really doing is just taking an infinite amount of these little representative rectangles, adding them together to get the area. So that's it if we have one function. But now, what if we have two functions to find the area of between? So that's what we're going to get into for this section. What if we have two curves and we want to find the area between those? So if we look at figure 2, here's f of x above, here's g of x below, two different functions, and we want to find the area between them. So it's the same idea, a representative rectangle, but the height would be the function on top minus the function on the bottom, upper curve, lower curve. So really, to find the area between these two functions, we would need to subtract the top function minus the bottom function. So if you look at this definition box, the area bounded by two curves, if f of x and g of x are two functions for which f of x is greater than g of x, what this means is f of x is on top or above g of x, then the area bounded by the two functions and the vertical lines a and b is the integral from a to b. Let me fix this a bit. A to b of f of x minus g of x dx. So we're subtracting the top function minus the bottom function. So it's the integral of top minus bottom. And that's our setup to find the area between two curves, top minus bottom. But okay, so that's it for this section. Or I'm sorry, that's the introduction for this section. And we're going to get into some examples in the next couple of videos. But that's it. Thank you. Bye.